Awesome. How many persons took a look at the or looked at the what we had? I agreed. I was going.
Attempted it to question 9.
Okay, you attempted to question 9. Okay, that's great.
Question
I
9. That's
also attempted most of the question, though I did not answer all.
Good.
Good evening, sir. I did some up to number 9.
Okay. Who did nothing?
I did some of the questions, but from question 9, I could not do it.
You all are ending at question 9. Okay. It's okay. So are we going to start from question 1?
Yes, please.
Yes, let's start from 1, please.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, Madam Elisha. Your hand is up.
Good
Elisha,
evening.
you just raised your hand.
Sorry, I'm joining late. Can you all get me?
Yes, we can all hear you, sir.
Alright, thank God. I may probably leave earlier. We have some issues with light. I was able to complete all of the tasks.
Okay.
Yes.
That's awesome. Okay, let's just look at them quickly and then we see where we are. Okay. So the first question says where am I? Let's write a Python program that converts a float into an integer and a string, then prints the result. Okay. So how do I do this one? Can I pick somebody from the Madam Constance? Please, how do I solve this one? Any ideas?
Yes.
Yes, go ahead. Tell me.
Write a Python program that converts a float number 9.78 into an integer and a string, then prints the result. I just did the integer and then in brackets 9.70 and then it gave me 9. That's converting from a float to integer, then converting from a float to string. String 9.78 gave me in quotes 9.78.
Like this? This one, is it like this?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so these two answers are correct. I don't know. This one I acquire, I don't know me whether it's correct. If you had a different answer,
Yes,
please let
that's
me
the
know.
same thing I had.
Okay, all of you had the same thing. If your answer was different, please tell me.
Hello, I don't understand.
I mean, it should be the answer since you are not taking any.
I'm not getting you.
I said it should be the answer since you are not taking any input from users. So, yeah.
Okay, so you
So
are
it's not
agreeing with
correct.
the you are agreeing with the answers.
It converts floats to a integer, is it not?
Hello?
Float to integer. Is that not a question?
Yes, that.
This is not an integer. This is a string now. What I'm seeing there is a string. The second one is a string.
The first one is an integer. The second one is a string.
Oh,
yeah, two questions in one.
Yes, there are two questions in one. Convert to an integer and a string.
Okay.
Are we all agreeing on this answer?
Yes, sir, I have a small.
You have a different answer.
Yeah, they say we should convert 9.8, which is a float, to an integer. Yes, 9 is an integer that we had. Then we are supposed to convert 9 now into a string, not the 9.78 again.
Okay. Either ways. My problem of English. I'm not the one who is good in English, but either ways, this one was if you want to convert 9, if you want, so if I were to do that one, sir, what am I supposed to do? Please tell me.
You wrap the 9 in quotes.
Tell me what to
9.
type, sir. I don't know what to type. Please. Tell me as if you are telling try in primary 1.
You wrap the 9 in single quotes, double
So
quotes.
tell me what to type. Be telling me type AS or TU or SR or whatever. That's what I want to know. I don't know what to do.
Okay, type 9.
I should type
9.
okay 9.
And then you put it in single quotes or double
I should
quotes.
put it in single quotes. Like this.
Yes.
Like this.
Yes.
Is that all?
I think that, yeah, that's all.
Which part of the question are you solving?
The second part.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. So this is how to solve the second part of the question.
I was thinking you do a method, a function that will take it as an input, then convert it.
Sir, can you show us what you are talking about? Or if you cannot show, can you tell us?
You can do it. I can share my screen.
Okay. Please share your screen.
Let me share my screen. You guys share now. Okay, screen share. Okay.
Okay,
I don't know
let's
if
see
you
what
can
you
see
have.
my screen.
Yes, we can. If you cannot see best man's screen, please let me know.
So if you see my screen, I did a function called float to integer converter. So it takes a value, called value. I use the PEP indication to show that it's going to return an integer. That was the first part I did. So what it simply does is just cast the value to an integer, inbuilt integer, and returns it as a value. So you can always use this function. I tested it here. So I run
Let's
the
see where you
function.
tested it, sir.
I see the test in the next implementation. That's 132. If you look at 132 implementation, you see test float converter. I say print Dr. Boris. So I say I call the function which is float to. Let me call the function now. Just a minute. This is the function here.
Yeah.
If I copy it and I paste it, let me just do that. If I copy and I paste it here, Control V, and I pass it to results, I can assign it to this variable called results, Control V, and I give the gap. I can run this code and print it. So let me just call this. Let me call this result, Control C. Let me call it. If you call results, if I call result now, let me blank this one just a minute, please. Okay, so I've commented that one out. Let me call the result. You see, so it prints I asked to print answer to the above problem, which is the result. So to float off. Sorry, I think I didn't call the function. I should put a bracket to call it on, turn it on. Sorry, just a minute. So the result is here.
You did not give it an argument.
No, the argument is true. I didn't give an argument. It's true because I didn't assign it to anything. So let me hard code it here and just give it. Since it's a float, you are converting float to. Let me just say 10.5, 10.5.
Okay.
So I run this function. It's inbuilt. So I call it here, float to integer converter. I call it, pass it to the variable result integer.
The result.
So I want to print it out, but I also want to check the data type of it. So I kind of called, I will pass this result here. I want to check the data to be sure that it's the right data type. So I will just pass it here.
Okay.
And Control V. So, and call it check data type. Okay. So look at the last slide. It prints the answer to the above question. So results, the variable result integer using the formatted string, and I put check data. So I print it. So shows the answer is 10. Answer to above is 10. And the data
And
type
class
is of class integer.
integer.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So that's I did that for question 2 to question 2 as well. And I did that for question. I did test for question 2 and I did for question 3 as well. If you can see, up to question 9. Yeah.
Let's get others comfortable with question 1, then we'll go to question 2. Is that okay?
Okay. Okay. So I use a function because I think that's it's reusable. You can reuse it rather than just wrapping it around, just casting it to an integer, and every time you want to use it. Since the aim of programming is to avoid repetition, redundancy, so I say it's a program, write a program. I just think of function, and that's what I did with most of them. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a good solution. Who has another solution, please? Can I see another solution?
Let's stop
I
sharing.
think we have 2 solutions already, right?
I mean, this is yeah, this is the advanced level of it. Because me in my head, I was
I can explain each part. I kind of use
no, I
this.
understand it. Yes, I understand it because in my head I was like, you just first of all, you assign them to you assign a variable name. I don't know if you can go back, assign, like, let's say V1, that is a variable name. Yeah.
Did you who is talking? Is that Mr. Tony?
Yes, it's Tony. Yes.
Can you share your screen and show us what you did, if it's possible?
I've not, to be honest, I've not tried the question, but I understand the concept. I've not been feeling too fun. Yes.
Okay, explain what you are saying. Go ahead with your explanation. Let's hear.
Yeah, so I was thinking, since it's a basic thing, start with assign them to variable. And let's say, and I didn't know, I didn't know, because I thought since you gave this thing already, the float, so I was like, okay, no needs. We are not taking input from users, so you've already given the float, so you just to manipulate that float. So I can start with let's say V1 equal to, then converting, I can say V1 equal to int. Then I'll now put.
Best man, can you please stop sharing? Let me type what he's saying. So let's see the third solution.
I have stopped sharing. Is this
okay? Yeah, let me share my screen. Okay. Let's get another third. Okay, so sir, are you going to tell me what to type? Because I don't know what to do. Tell me what to type,
yes,
please.
Sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Is
So
your
what am I
screen
typing?
on? Okay. Beautiful. So I can say V1 equal to V1. Yes. No, V1.
Okay, V1.
Yes.
Equal to
yes. Int. Then inside the int, yes, int, int.
Okay, you say
inside
int.
the
Okay.
int function. Yes. Then I put 9.78.
I just type 9.78, or I'm supposed to write it in bracket, or am I just type it
in
directly?
bracket? Yes. Yes, sir. Inside the brackets.
9.78.
Yes, run it. So now V1 is carrying an integer. It's not carrying an integer of. You can view the type if you want. It's not carrying an integer.
How do I do that? I don't know what you are just blowing grammar now. I'm not understanding. Me, I am a primary school child. I don't even know anything that you are saying. You have to be telling me what to type. Oh, I don't understand.
Okay, type.
Okay, I should type.
No, right type. TYPE. In brackets, V1.
Okay.
Run it. Let's see.
I should run this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It says int.
Yes. So
what
that
does this
yes, integer. So that means 9.789. It was a float before. Now it's you can even run V1. Type V1.
I should run V1.
Yes, let's see what it has.
Okay. It says 9.
Yes, so now it's an integer.
Okay.
So basically just type casting. So we can now do V2 equal to
V2,
to convert it to a string. Yes. V2 equal to str. Then 9. Yes, in bracket 9.
9. Okay. So what
Or
do I
even
do?
in bracket,
This one
no,
too.
no, no, in bracket 9.78. That is just what is in my head to convert
Okay.
that flow.
Okay.
Run it.
I should run this one too.
Yes.
Okay. I have run it.
Type then. We want to check the type of V2.
So I should check the type of V2
Yes, sir.
like this.
Yes.
Okay. Is it okay if I do this like this?
Yes, yes, yes.
Am I doing a correct thing or I'm just doing my own?
Yeah, I think that's correct.
Okay. Is this what you are showing us?
Yes, that is just here. But best man's own is, I think, his own is the most adequate, especially if you are taking an input from a user. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So we have had 3 solutions. Is there a 4th one? If you disagree with any of the solutions, please let me know. Because I don't know which one is correct. But if we all agree that they are all correct, then it's all correct. I have an input. But I really should say lecture is hot today. Yeah. Okay. Is this all about question 1? Are we comfortable with question 1? Can we go to question 2?
I
Nobody
mean,
is
if
saying
you're
anything.
okay with the solutions, if you're okay with the
Okay.
answers, maybe.
Okay. Okay, I should go to question 2. Okay, let me copy question 2. Please, you people should teach me well, because if you don't teach me and I go and fail in class, because they are testing us tomorrow. I know this question was incomplete. I know I completed it in class in the group. Okay, so how do we solve this one? Where? So the last time we got input from Best Man, we got input from Mr. Tony, and who was that? Was it Madame Constance?
Yes.
So who's giving input
Madam
now?
Constance.
I don't. Okay. I don't know if Madame Gani Elisha or is Mr. Gani Elisha. I don't.
It's Mr.
Oh, okay, Mr. Elisha. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah, I'm just mixing the thing up. Okay. So, how, are you asking a question, or you want to help us solve this question too?
I want to help us to answer this question.
Okay, great. Thank you. So, are you sharing your screen, or you want to show me what to tell me what to type?
I'll have to. We'll have to do it together. I can't. I'm currently on my phone. We have some issues with light here.
Okay, okay. So, what am I supposed to type? So, tell me what to type.
Okay. So
let me read the question so that both of us will understand. Write a Python program to check if the string Python programming, this is the string, contains the phrase py.
Right. Okay. So we are checking if it contains it. So we can assign them to 2 variables.
So what am I supposed to type?
Python programming. So we'll call a variable name, maybe string is string.
Okay, string.
Or string, yes, is equal to. We have Python programming in double quote.
This one.
Yes, that one. Yes. And then we have phrase. We can just call the next one phrase.
I can call the next one what?
Variable. The next variable phrase.
Okay, phrase. Okay.
Yes, the next variable name is phrase.
Okay, phrase equals to.
It's equals to, and our phrase is py in double quotes too.
Okay, py. Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Now we'll just check. We'll just give a basic condition.
Okay.
And now we'll be like if.
Okay.
If string. No, if phrase, not string.
If phrase.
Yes. In string.
In string.
Yes, then column.
Okay, column.
Yes, then we can print. Print. Then bracket. Double quote. It is present in the string. PY is present in the string.
Okay, PY. PY is present on the string. Okay.
Yes, and then we can else.
Okay, I have to do else.
Yes, else.
Okay. What do I do?
Else, we put a colon.
Okay.
Then enter next line. Print. Bracket. Double quotes. It is not present in the string. PY is not present in the string. Yeah.
Okay. Is there anything I have to do again?
There's some modification we can do, but let's just leave that one now.
Okay. What should I do? I should run it.
Yes, sir. Okay. This is new. Okay, it's not present because we do not capitalize PY. So P is a lowercase p.
Okay, so what am I supposed to do, sir?
So if want to see if it is there, we can change the PY, the P in PY to a capital P, and then it will work. Yes.
So I should copy this one and paste it here. What should I change? I should change this P here to capital P.
Yes, to capital P, and then yes, we see it saying that PY is present this time.
Is there another? Okay, is this all?
Yes, I think that was all that the question assigned us to do.
Okay, awesome. Solution number one, please. Let's get votes for solution number one. Is solution number one okay? Solution number two. Solution number two. Nobody saying anything?
Yeah, I'm okay with both of them.
Oh, okay. We have just one solution. Yeah. Is this the only possible solution?
Why can't we use, we can also use, I think strings has the method called capitalize. So we can call capitalize on the phrase.
Okay. So what are you saying, sir?
Before you can paste the solution so that it work in any option. You cannot paste.
So, sir, if I copy this one like this and paste down here, what am I supposed to change? Sir. What am I supposed to change?
After the phrase line.
Yeah.
Create another. No. After that, before the if phrase, create copy phrase and make it copy phrase.
Okay, I should copy phrase.
Yes.
Okay.
No, just phrase.
I should copy phrase.
Just phrase. Remove the py.
Okay, I should remove the py.
And just go to the phrase and put dot.
Okay, I should put
dot. Capitalize. CP.
Capitalize.
Press tab. Press tab. Let's see.
Like this.
Yes. What's the name? Call the function, the method rather.
I should close it like this.
Yes. Run it, let's see, please. Okay, no, assign it to phrase. Assign it to phrase. Go back to the start of the line.
I should assign it to phrase again.
Phrase. Yes. Let's see.
Like this.
I've not tried it. Yes. Run it,
Okay.
let's see if
Okay.
that method is there. So in this case, it's irrespective of whether it's a small p or big P, it's still going to show you if that alphabet is there.
Okay. Who is comfortable with the second solution? That's another solution. Is there a third solution?
I'm working on it to see if my own will work.
Okay, what are you working on?
I'm trying to use loop.
The loop.
I'm trying to use for loop, yes.
You want to loop through what?
It did not work. I was trying to do, of course, I gave the Python programming. I assigned it to a string. I assigned it to a string called name. Then I was like, for char, for char in name, like CHAR. Yeah, character, yes, in name. So, and I said, and I'm not trying to use the if condition. If py and char print it is there, else print it is not there. But it's giving me a crazy something. It's giving me it's not there, it's not there, it's not there. So I think it's not correct. Yeah, I think this one is okay.
For char in what? Huh?
Okay.
Sorry, sir, I didn't get your explanation.
He says it did not work. So, but he's trying to use a loop, but he says it did not work. Okay, Mr. Elisha.
Okay. What I'll propose, suggest we can do is that we can take both of our strings, that is Python programming and py, and then pass them either through the upper or the lower function. That will convert all of them to lower string, and then we can do the condition with them already in lower. So we can just come to where we have that if phrase.
Okay. Tell me what to, so I have to copy something. I have to copy this one again. This one. I should copy this one. Okay, I've copied this one. I should paste it here. Should I change something? Tell me what to change.
Yeah. So we can copy it. And then we have where we have if phrase.
Okay, if phrase, yes.
Yeah, we can add dot lower there.
If phrase dot lower.
Yeah. Bracket, open and close. And then in string dot lower too.
Okay, in string dot lower.
Yeah.
Okay. I have to also put bracket, yeah?
Yes, also we have to put bracket there too.
Okay. So is this one okay?
I think this one would do.
Should I run this one?
Yes, sir, we can run.
Okay. It's telling me that there is a syntax.
Okay, there's a bracket lacking at the end.
Where is it lacking? Here.
Last line, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, it's running. So now if we change the py, if we change any of them to capital, it will bring them all to lowercase. So we can still copy a snippet and try again by changing the P to capital P.
No problem. I'm here you are teaching me and then I don't want to copy. What am I doing? Yes, sir. What should I change, sir?
That PY, we can change it.
Okay, this one?
Yes, we can put it all capital letters.
Okay, I should put all capital like this.
Yes.
Okay, I should test it again.
I say use that.
Oh, okay. It still works. Awesome.
Yes. Okay, that's what I'll do.
Perfect. I'm learning a lot. Is there any other person with another solution somewhere? Okay, awesome. Can we go to the third question? Any questions as far as question 2 is concerned? Please, if you don't have, we have great teachers in class. If you don't ask your question and then they go them, you are on your own. So can we solve question 3? Okay. Nobody is saying anything. I'm on my own.
Yes, we can solve question 3.
Okay. Solution, please. I'm looking at the question 3. The thing is very difficult. I cannot even understand anything. What is happening?
Let me
pray the
try.
list first.
Let me try.
Who is going first?
Dr. Kifa.
Dr. Kiva. Okay, let's take Dr. Kiva first.
Right.
Okay, question 3 is asking us to create a list of top 5 favorite foods. So
Okay.
let's create a list.
Okay, I should what should I type, sir?
Take L equals.
Okay, L equals to.
We take square brackets.
Okay, square brackets.
Yeah, we take the first fruit, apple.
Okay, the first fruit is apple.
Yes, comma, the second fruit is pineapple.
So can you spell that one? Because I don't know how to spell that thing. Is it like that?
No. P-I-N-E-A-double-L-E.
Is it double P or double L-E?
Double P-L-E.
Okay. Is it like this?
Double P.
Double P, okay. I don't know. Like this.
Yes.
Okay.
And then the next fruit,
I thought it was a
watermelon.
vegetable. The next fruit, yes.
Watermelon.
Oh, watermelon. Is it one word?
Yes.
Okay.
The next one, avocado.
Avocado. What's a bit this one? Oh?
The last one, orange.
Orange, okay. Like this.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's our list. See, we should write a Python program to replace the third fruit.
Okay, to replace the third fruit in the list.
Yes, we can actually try to confirm if this is a list or a type of L.
Okay, so I have to run this one first, or I just go and type of L?
You can run it, and then before you type of L, run it.
Okay. I should type this thing like this?
Yes.
Okay, I can run this one too. Okay, it says it's a list. Oh, yeah, it's a list. So, yeah, it says it's a list.
Okay.
So what can I do again?
Now, we want to replace the third fruits with the
mango. Which one is third fruit?
Watermelon.
Okay, this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. First of all, we need to identify the index of watermelon.
Okay.
Yeah. If we have a list of about 100 elements, for us to actually count and identify the index is difficult. So we can use a small method to identify the index. So you take print.
Okay, I should type print.
Here in bracket, you take L, which is our list dot index.
Pardon?
Dot index. L dot index. Then brackets, watermelon. Yeah, watermelon.
Yeah. I should run this one?
Yeah, run it.
Okay.
So the index is 2.
And
then we can go with take L square bracket 2 equals to mango.
Okay. This one like this?
Yes.
Okay. Like this?
Yes.
Okay. I should run it?
Print L now.
Okay, I should print L now.
Yes.
Oh.
And you run it.
Okay, yes, it has changed. Oh, it worked. He changed it to mango. Okay. Great. Perfect. Solution 1. Who has something else? Okay, let's just go with this list. Okay, if you are coming with something else, just propose that we go with this list, unless you want to share your screen and show us something new. Okay. I'm learning. What else do we have? I'm the only
I
one in class.
concur with the solution.
Okay.
It's the same thing I did. The only thing is that I did not get to print the index as he did here. I just knew that the index, I just used 0, 1, 2, and then I fell on the third fruit.
Oh, madam, can you please explain what you're saying? I don't even understand the thing that you are saying. What are you saying? That you were counting something from 0? What were you counting?
No, I said that I'm saying that my solution is the same, but for the fact that I did not print the index as he did. I did not get a print.
You did not do this one?
Yes.
So how did you know your own index?
I just did it manually, knowing that when I'm indexing, I have to count from 0. So my first fruit was 0.
So which one is first fruit?
Apple, 0.
Okay, this one is 0.
Yes, pineapple, 1.
Okay, this one is 1.
Watermelon.
Oh, and then this one is 2. Oh,
Yeah.
I understand now. So this one will be what?
3.
And then this one will be
4.
But I'm seeing 5 fruits, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, we start indexing at 0 and we have to count n-1.
Okay. Oh, okay. That's why it's only 4. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I did not know. Okay, that is another solution. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Another solution. Nobody is telling me anything.
When I started this question, I want to share something. I first of all made a mistake. I worked on the tuple.
Okay, you work with the tuple.
I first of all worked with tuple before I came back and realized that they were asking for list. So I actually did 2, one for tuple and one for list.
Which one did all work?
Yes, all worked.
Oh, this thing also work for tuple?
Yes, it works for tuple, but we have to use the replace. There was a replace command to change the fruit.
Can we see? Can you share your screen and show us the tuple one that worked?
Yes.
Okay, let me stop sharing. Who is anxious to see a replacement in a tuple?
So this is it.
Okay, fruit equals to, it is
So now it's the rounded brackets, and then we have the quotes at the beginning and at the end after we have listed all the fruits.
Okay, let me see. Pineapple, berry, watermelon, mango. Okay.
So the first, I had to write the fruits, which is equal to this as a tuple. Then now I went to the new fruits. Now for the new fruit, I had to replace fruit.replace. Then I now replace the third fruit, berry, with mango, and I printed the new fruit. So it gave me apple, pineapple, mango, watermelon, and purple.
Can you rerun that code again? Copy the first line that has fruit and first of all run that one first. The first one. Yes. Copy it. Run it on the next cell. Or you can run it on the cell down because you're going to add another cell. Yeah, run it there. Okay, run it. Check the type of that. Okay. You might have to restart your kernel if possible.
Yeah, it's like my internet is also.
No, it has nothing to do with internet.
Okay.
You restart your kernel. Go up and do kernel restart. You can do restart and run all, maybe. Oh.
So it's a string. Data type is a string, not a tuple.
Ronnie, let's see. It says
Wow.
it's a string.
Yeah, it's a string.
But why?
I don't know. When I did it, I saw tuple.
Who understands why she's returning a string?
Yeah, because I think the fruit, what she has inside the fruit as a tuple, she put them like as a string in a string. Normal, like apple now is supposed to be apple, opening and closing quotation mark. Pineapple, the same thing, opening and closing a quotation mark, then the comma, berry, watermelon, the same. Not to have a, I don't know if you I don't know if you
Because I
yeah.
think a tuple must have more than one element.
Okay.
No, no.
A tuple must have more than one element. And what she has there is just one element wrapped with one single double quotation mark.
Now she's fixing it.
Yeah.
So meaning that I have to wrap each of them.
Yes, because a tuple cannot be just one element. It has to be more than one.
Okay, I've
Except
done.
you are casting it with the inbuilt function.
So
Tuple, yeah.
Python was doing what she did
We have done.
as one
I've done
element.
that.
Okay, can you now go and run your new fruit again? Let's see whether it will still work.
Okay.
No, not that one. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Copy all of that. You can add a cell just beneath that execution. You can hit the plus sign. After copying, you can select that cell and hit the plus sign over there to add a cell. Yeah, hit the plus sign to add a cell. Yeah, run it there. Paste it. Control V. Run it now. Let's see. Scroll down.
There is an error message.
Yeah, let's see the error message.
New fruit replacement. Okay. Tuple object has no attribute to replace.
But is it true? I don't know. Is it true?
No, let me look at the directory of tuple to be sure.
Okay, check the directory of tuple. Let's see.
It's true.
But what do we know about tuples by default? What is the difference between a tuple and a list?
You can't change. You can't
Tuple is not
change.
mutable.
It's not
You
mutable.
cannot update a tuple. Madam, so do you understand why I told you to show us what you did with a tuple?
Yes, I understand now. It's clear.
I hope it's all clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And now you understand how to create a tuple that you don't wrap all the elements inside one quote.
Yes.
That's awesome. Okay, that was nice. Great. So, are we good to go to the next question? Question 4, Abi. This is the only revision class we have here. So if you are not following, we are not going to have another one again. Okay. Create a tuple with the following numbers. Write a Python program to find the second largest number in the tuple. Oh, yeah. How do I solve that? And let me see. Some people have not been giving contributions. Hold on. I've not heard from, I see Dr. Kenfua on the call. Dr. Kenfua. Are you there? Madame Prudence, est-ce que ça va?
Oui, ça va.
Ok.
Je n'ai pas fait la question là.
Do you have something to tell us about this question that we have on the screen now? Because me, I don't even
do question
understand the
4.
question. Can I hear you, ma'am?
I didn't do question 4.
Okay, you did not do question 4. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, let's check again. Jamin. Yeah, Miss Alicia, just give me a minute. Let me talk to
Yes,
Jamin.
Prof.
Let me talk to Jamin.
I can get you.
Yeah, Jamin. Did you solve question 4? This one.
Prof, I attempted this one.
Okay.
I still need to check the output there.
Can you show us the attempted solution that you have? Is it possible? Are you there? Are you there?
Not at the moment, no, Prof.
Okay.
Let me just search and see.
Okay, let me talk to
the output.
Let me talk to Mr. Elisha. It's okay. So Elisha, come on. You raised your hand.
Okay. Thank you, sir. All right.
Yeah. Are you giving us solution or you're asking us question?
Solution.
Okay, you are giving us solution. Thank you. So what do
Yeah.
I type? Or you want to share your screen?
No, I cannot still share screen. So
Okay.
for this one, I believe we know that tuples cannot be altered, they cannot be changed. So we cannot work with that tuple as a tuple. We have to maybe convert it.
Can we read
to
the
a
question
list.
again first and understand? Create a
So they
tuple with the
said
following
create a
numbers.
tuple with the following numbers 5, 10,
Mhm.
15, 20, 25, and then write a Python script to find the largest number in the tuple.
Okay. So what do I do, sir?
So we'll have our tuple. Let's just name it T.
Okay, T
is equals to bracket open.
Which brackets, sir? I'm seeing like 14 brackets on my screen.
The round one.
Oh, the one that is round. This one.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes, that one.
And then what do I do, sir?
We'll write the numbers 5.
Okay, these numbers like this.
5, 10, yes.
Like this?
Yes, like that.
Okay.
And
Next.
then we want to convert it now to a list.
Okay, I should convert it to a list. Okay,
Yeah,
what am
we
I
have
supposed to do?
So to convert it to a list, we'll just say T is equals to list. Then now we'll write bracket, the curved one again. And then we'll write T inside. And then
Okay, this
we'll
one.
place it, normal T, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have converted that tuple into a list so that we'll be able to work on it. Now we want to sort it because we cannot know the largest number in the list if we don't sort it. So we can just say T.sort, next line.
T.sort, like this.
SORT, yes. And then we put open and close round brackets. And then we can just go to the next line. We have another variable called second largest. Largest.
Okay, so create a variable called second largest.
Second largest, yes.
Okay, like this.
That's called, yes, largest is equals to T. Then we have square bracket -2.
-2. Okay.
Yeah. So I think then I will go and print next line.
I should print.
Yes. Open bracket. The second quotes first, invert quotes first.
Okay, I should put quotes.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, the second largest number is. We can put a colon. Now we go out of the quotes.
Okay, I should go out of the quotes.
Yes.
Like this. I'm out of the quotes.
I'm not seeing your cursor. Yes, now I'm seeing it. Yes. Yes, we write comma.
Comma,
and then we write the second largest there.
Okay, I
That
should put
variable
second
that we
largest here.
gave up there. Yes, that's it.
Okay, I should run it.
Yeah, we can run this. Yes. So now I think that's the second largest number.
Yeah, looks perfect. Who has a different answer? I was thinking that the second largest number is 15. Oh. One solution, please. I need all your input.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Dr. Kifa.
Yeah, I did something very simple. I don't know if it is okay, but let me share. I tried to identify the second number by looking at the numbers. I checked the index, which is at -2.
How did you do that? I don't understand.
I had to count T is equal to the that tuple. So I had to count 0 from 5. 5 is 0, then 10 1.
Like this?
Yes. 10 is 1.
So you say this is 0, this is 10, this is 15.
Yeah, 15 is 2.
Okay, this is 0, 1, 2,
3.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So when I got that, I just took T in square bracket 3.
Okay.
And then you run. Yeah, that's what I did.
Okay, this is what you did.
Yeah.
Okay. Can somebody give contributions to Dr. Kifa's solution? Okay, I prefer to go back to Elisha because he gave the first solution and then Dr. Kifa brought the second solution. So, Mr. Elisha, tell me.
Okay. I think if maybe the numbers are changed, if the location of the numbers are changed, then
So what do you want? What do you mean?
maybe if, for example, 20 was in the place of 15 and 15 was in the place of 20.
So yeah, explicitly, you're not telling me to put 20 here and put 15 here. Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying?
We don't know, something might happen someday and then the positions change. So that's why I try to use the sort so that we are sure that even if they do not give us in an ascending order, we are sure that that number that we are giving is the second largest.
Yeah. Dr. Kifa.
And we still sort in descending order because I did not complete it, but I started by sorting in descending order.
Okay.
So I had 20.
How did you sort in descending order, ma'am? Show me how you sorted in descending order.
I did sorted number reverse equal to true.
Ma'am, I don't know what you're talking about. Can you tell me from the beginning? Where am I starting from?
Okay. We go to the list already. The list.
A list. You are talking about a list. Which list, ma'am?
We convert the tuple to list.
Okay, you say I should convert this tuple to list. How am I supposed to do that? Okay, this is my tuple. I'm supposed to convert it to a list. How am I supposed to convert this tuple to a list?
T equals to list in brackets T as it is there in the solution. Then let us print T. Let's run it and get T first.
Okay, let me run it and get T first. Okay, I have
yes.
T now.
Yes, that's T. And then now we sort T.
Tell me what to write, ma'am.
Okay, we say sorted.
Sorted. Okay, this one is sorted,
In
not sort.
bracket.
Okay.
Yes. In brackets, numbers.
Numbers.
Sorry, in brackets T. I'm reading what I wrote. Yeah, in brackets T. Comma. Reverse.
Reverse.
Equals true.
Equals to true.
Yeah, then we run it.
Okay, I should run it.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's how I did mine. Then I follow what Dr. Kifa did there. I numbered it 01, and then I said,
Mom, you are just saying something. I don't even know what Dr. Kifa did. Can you tell me what to do?
Okay. Sorry. We now have a new list, a sorted list. Sorted T. Sorted T.
What are you saying?
You write sorted T.
Okay, I should write sorted T.
Yeah, sorted underscore T.
Okay, sorted underscore T. Okay, like
equals
this.
to.
Okay, equals to.
Yes, the numbers that we have there, 25, 10, 20, 15.
Are you saying I should copy this one and
copy,
paste?
Yes, copy and paste.
Okay.
Copy and paste.
Mm-hmm.
Run it. No, then we go down to sorted T in square brackets, open and close.
Okay, I should write sorted underscore T like
underscore
this.
T.
And then I put square
bracket, open and close. And then inside we put the indexing 1.
Okay, I should put position number 1 like this.
Yes, and then we run it.
Okay, I should run it now.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I have 20, ma'am.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I have this answer. Can I add to it?
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
So the last answer is kind of I think I have copying the output and pasting it into T is not. I don't think that approach is correct, because
so what do we do, sir?
So what do you do from that line 20?
Okay, line 20. You're talking about this one.
20. Yes, wrap it.
I should wrap it.
With double quotation, wrap with what they call it? Brackets, round brackets.
Which brackets, sir?
Round.
I should put round bracket around all of
yes.
this. Like, okay.
Yes. Wrap this one. Good. So you can be funny about it. Okay, put square bracket.
What are you saying? I should put square bracket again after wrapping it.
By the end, yeah, by the right hand end. Let me just let me make it
like
easy.
This.
Yes, right one. Right one there. Index 1.
Okay, I should put 1 here.
Yes. Go to the beginning of that sorted and write that sorted T.
Okay, I should type sorted T there.
Yes, copy it.
Okay, wait,
sorted T.
let me copy this and put it down here. And you say I should put sorted T at the beginning here. Okay, I'm putting sorted T at the beginning. Is that all?
Equal to assign it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Run it. Let's see.
Okay, I should run this one. Okay.
Okay. Go copy that sorted C and paste in this your empty space. Oh, put it. Just go to that line and paste it and run it again. So print it out.
I should run it again.
20.
Okay.
So we can do it another way again, so that it's a bit clear.
Another way, sir. Tell me.
Another way. Copy this line 22 and paste in another place.
Line 22. Okay, this is line 22. Yes. I should copy all of it.
Paste it there. Yes. Delete that square bracket from that one, that index 1. Delete that index 1. Put it on that sorted T. Index that sorted T.
Okay, I should write sorted T like this and then index it.
No. Go to that the initial one, the one on the top line. Leave this other one you wrote. Leave the one you wrote.
What should I write?
Go to that sorted T and index it.
This one?
On that line, yes. It has some object. So take the first index. Yeah, square bracket 1. Which is this. Yeah. So you can run it.
Okay.
And now type sorted T.
It's not working. It's giving me an error, sir.
Okay. I know. It's giving an error. Okay, it has to be the other way then. Hold on. No, because it's overwriting something. Can we change that sorted T to sorted I?
Okay, sorted. I should write sorted I.
put the square bracket. Let me see. I'm just trying to experiment something.
Like this, I should write this thing
Run,
back.
run it. Yes, run it. Let's see. Now type.
So it has an
It's
error
not
message.
defined. Okay. Okay, this doesn't work. You have to run it from here. It's okay. The first option is okay for me, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
And delete this one.
Okay, I can delete this one. Okay.
Yes, delete line. Yes. So what I've just indexed it. Unlike the constant solution where she tried to copy the output. So I've wrapped it the sorted in a tuple object, and tuples are indexable. You can index them. So I just picked the second element of this tuple object and I assigned it to sorted T and I printed it.
Great. Another solution. Another solution. I want to ask a question. Can I sort a tuple?
No.
Oh.
I cannot sort a tuple.
I don't think so.
Can we try?
Okay, let's give it a try. I know it's a list I can.
Let me just run this line and then I do sorted. And then I say T. My T is still a tuple. Did it work?
Yeah, it worked. Convert it to a list. Okay.
But wait, do I need to convert it to a list? Can I just say sorted and then I say reverse? Reverse, which one is, how do you spell that thing again? Reverse equals to true. Can I do this and then I take position number 1?
Yes. Wow.
Yeah, it's the same. It's actually converting that tuple to a string before it's printing it. So that's why the outcome was initially a list. Sorry, to a list rather, not a tuple. Your initial sorted was a list, was not a tuple.
If I print, you are saying that if I print the type of this, I'll get a list.
No, if you remove the one, if you remove that one.
Yeah, I get the print the type of this. If I print the type of this, I get of class list, right?
Yes.
Yes.
As well as if I did not use this one, I could have also done this. It's possible, right?
Yes, it's possible.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
Awesome. Let's go to the next question. Me, I'm learning now. That's why I've been wasting my time here. Now I'm learning by today. You don't know. Okay. Let's see. I'm learning a lot. Escape. Write a Python program to create a dictionary with keys as name, age, and city, and fill them with appropriate values, and then update the age to a new value. Okay. Oh yeah. Me, I don't even know what is a dictionary, sir. Don't even know what this is. These people are just saying, write Python program, write Python program. Can somebody help me, please? I don't even know what this thing is talking about. Have we reached question 9? I think people were ending at question 9. We're still at question 5. Oh.
All right,
Please,
key now.
We need to finish it. So, who is coming to help?
Let me try.
Okay. Thank you, sir. What's going on?
So we are going to for this problem, we are going to initialize, do double curly brackets.
Double curly brackets like this.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
No, that's one curly bracket, one.
Uh-huh.
Assign it to a variable, call it client details.
I should call it
client details.
Client details, okay.
Yeah. It's equal to, yes. So the first element of this dictionary will be double quotation mark. You can write name, write Boris. Okay, yeah, that's the key. Then the key value will be Boris in double quotation marks. This is a string. Next element, you're looking at age. So write double quotation mark age. Right next, write the key as 3045 integer. Then next element, city. Take a string, double quotation mark, write city. Then the key is write Yaoundé, double quotation mark. So we have done the dictionary as requested. So what is left is to update it.
What did you say?
No. The question is that we should fill them with appropriate values.
And then update the age to a new age.
Oh, okay, the age to a new age. So we go to the next line.
Okay, I should run this one and go to the next line. What am I writing in the next line?
That's right. Call the object, dictionary object, that's client details. Client details, square bracket. No, this is a dictionary. Yeah, square bracket. The index for this is the age is the index. So write age in double quotation mark. I hope I get it. And equal to give the value. What age should we give it? Let's give it 60. Right, 60 integer. Yeah, 60. Run it. Thank you, no error. So you can just call this client now. Client and run it. Let's see what's up to. So that's good. That's it, sir.
Any additional input? Thank you very much. Any additional input? Okay, good. Next question. That was question. Now I'm going to wait. I'm now okay, question 6 now. Wait. Okay. Input, please. Create a set of integers. Write a Python program to add the number 6 to the set and remove the number 3. Oh, yeah.
Can I try?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Write them set.
I should type. What am I typing, ma'am?
You are typing set.
S-E-T.
Yes, equal to.
Okay.
Curly brackets.
Curly brackets. This one like this.
2, right?
Okay,
yes.
I should put this thing like this.
1 comma. Yes, you put inside the curly brackets.
I should type it like this, or I should put it inside this one again. Like this.
Yes. Then we print the set.
I should print the set.
Set.
I should
Yes.
print. So I should type print set.
Set.
Like this.
Then
I should run it.
You run it. Yes. And then now you have set dot at.
Set
Type
dot.
set dot at. Curly brackets 6.
Curly brackets. They're the same. This very one.
No.
Which
It's,
one?
round bracket.
Okay, round brackets.
Normal
Okay,
brackets. The normal brackets. Yeah.
This
6.
one. I should put 6 here.
Put 6 inside. Yes. The next line. Set dot remove.
Set dot remove.
Remove. Yes. The brackets like up. Like we have up.
Okay, the same kind of bracket up. Okay.
Yes. 3.
I should put 3.
3 inside. Okay. Then the next line print set.
Okay. This one like
Then
this.
we run. Yes. Then we run it.
Okay. Okay. Well, thank you very much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, additional, solution. Yes, Madam Constance.
Confirmation. That's how I did mine too.
Okay.
Addition. You can copy Madam Constance solution on line 35 and paste it. Line 35.
This one?
Yes. Yes, please. Copy everything, paste it down. And replace the remove with discard.
Okay.
Because discard.
I should type discard here.
Discard. Yeah, discard, yes. And run it.
Okay.
Yes. The difference is that remove, if the object, your element is not there, it will return an error, but discard, it will not.
Okay. Thank you very much for that addition. Any update? One question. Was it right to use this variable name as set?
It's not advisable. It's against the rules.
Good.
Because set is a keyword.
That's the reason why it's in green, right?
But you can use, why not use small this thing, underscore, to make it local. Add underscore up in front of the set.
Yeah, you can do that.
In front of, no, not there, at the other side. After the T. After the T. Yeah. Make it local.
Yeah, we are just saying that you should avoid using keywords as variable names.
Okay.
Good.
All right, thank you.
My pleasure. So let's go to the next one. Write a Python program using a for loop to print the square of each number from 1 to 5. Oh yeah? Who was using for loop that time? Please, this is where we need you. We are on fire here. We are on fire. I don't even understand. You're even saying for loop. Which one is that? Please, I need somebody to save me.
Can I give my own solution?
Yes,
After I give my own solution, I'll ask a question because there was something bothering me. Okay. We'll type for number in range.
For number?
Yeah.
In range.
In range. Brackets open. 1 comma.
1 comma.
6.
6. Why are you choosing 1 6, ma'am? I'm
choosing 1 6 because we have the number. We have to print the square of from numbers 1 to 5, and it's 1 minus n. So that's why I've gone up to 6.
Okay.
So that the 1 to 5 will be within the range that we are printing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Colon.
Okay, colon.
Yes. Move down to the next line. Print.
Okay, I should print. Okay.
Yeah. Bracket open. Quote open.
Quotes open, yeah.
Square.
Square as in square, yeah, like this.
Yes. Square as in square. Yes. Quotes close.
Close has been quote. Sorry. Quotes have been closed.
Comma.
Okay, I should put comma here.
Yes, brackets open.
Brackets open, like this.
Yes. Number.
Number.
Multiplication sign.
Multiplication sign. Which one is multiplication sign, ma'am? Is it this one?
Shift 8 on your keyboard.
Okay, shift and then 8. Oh, okay, this
Yes.
thing. Okay, okay.
Number.
Okay, I should put number again.
Yes.
Okay.
Brackets close.
Bracket has been closed.
Okay, we have the bracket. Okay, twice.
What should I do?
Your cursor is inside number. It should be behind the second bracket.
Do I need to write another bracket again?
No, there are 2 brackets.
Okay.
Then you run.
I should run.
Yes.
Okay.
Now my question goes thus.
Uh-huh.
My worry here was that I wanted is, you see, square 1, square 4. Square 4 should be the square root of 2. Square 9 should be the square root, the square of 3. Sorry, not square root. The square of 3. Square 16 should be the square of 4, and square 25 the square of 5. But I wanted the word square root, the square of, to come out, but when I wrote it there, it was giving me something else, so I don't know.
Oh yeah, okay. Input. How do we fix that? Yes, Mr. Elisha.
Okay, I think that it's basically only in the print section.
What should I
let me-
do, sir?
So we'll say print.
I should copy all of this.
Yes, copy all of that.
So inside print.
Yes, inside the print, we'll go before the brackets, we write F.
Yeah.
Before the quotes, yeah, we're going to use an F. Yes, and then after that F now, we're going to go inside the curly braces, the quotation marks. Yes. And we're going to type the square of, or we can say the square of maybe something.
Okay, the square. So I have to write off.
Yes, and then we use curly braces.
Curly bracket. Are you talking about this one like this?
Yes, that one. Yes, that one. Then we write number inside.
I should type number like this inside.
Yes, number. Yes, and then we'll go out, or we can still stay inside. The square is.
I should put is.
Yes, space. Then we can copy all of that explanation, that number times number, and we can place there in a curly bracket.
I don't understand, sir.
Okay, curly bracket open.
I should write curly bracket again.
Number times number.
This one?
Yes, that one. Yes, then we can remove the comma at the end. Yes, I think we can run this one and it will do what madam said.
Wow, thank you. This is exactly what I wanted.
Awesome. Another input.
Yes, I have another solution. Copy line 38, paste it, please. Line 38.
Yeah.
The range, I want to adjust. Change that one, delete the one, change it to delete the one. And the comma, change it to 5. Change it to 5. Let's start from 0. Okay. Go to this go to a second curly bracket after the is. Second curly bracket after the is.
Yeah.
Copy that tuple, copy the tuple of that's the double, copy from the double brackets. Copy that tuple from, yes, copy it, cut it please.
Yeah, cut it.
And paste it under the, after the semicolon, just put it under the semicolon. Yeah, in there, yeah. Paste it there, please. That second number that is in the bracket, just move it
This
and
one.
put double star.
I should put another
Double
star like
star.
this.
Yes. Put two. Put two. Now, at the beginning of this line, put equal to, assign it to, put equal to.
I should assign it to what, sir?
Assign it to squared number. Call it squared number. Squared number underscore number.
Okay.
Equal to. Now, that squared number, I can put it in this, please copy it and put it in this curly bracket after is. After
This
the
one.
phrase is. Yes, please.
Okay.
And I think we can run it. Let's see. I missed one. Okay, in that case, the range.
Okay.
So I go back to the range and adjust the range.
Okay. I should change the range back. What am I changing it to, sir?
No. Okay, change it to 1 to 5.
1 to 5.
5, comma 5, yeah. 1 to 6, 6, please, 6.
Okay, 1 to 6.
Yes,
Right.
run it, let's see. Yes. I think you requested for that. Is it the same? Yes.
Okay.
Please, can I ask a question?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, best man, you have squared underscore number is equal to, in brackets, number. See the multiplication sign twice. Please, I don't really understand. Then 2. That, yes, I don't understand that.
Double star means raised to the power 2.
Okay.
Like
okay.
exponentiated. That's what it means.
Okay. Thank you.
You can raise it to the power of 3, to the power of 4, whatever you wish. Change it
And
to
that's the
any
reason why
power.
we have that's the reason why we have the double star and the 2, means that it's raised to the power 2.
Yes, raised to the power 2. Why multiply is just raised power, the single star.
Okay.
Best man, can we use a function to do this, to solve this?
Yes, I
Can
solved
you-
my own with a function. You just wrap it, copy the same block of code and define a function and pass the number to it. You can do that.
Can try it. Sir, can we
Can you
try it?
copy it?
I should copy this
Copy that.
one. Okay.
Yes, sir. Before you paste it, write df def space exp underscore num double brackets.
Double brackets. When you say double bracket like this.
Round bracket.
Like this.
One bracket.
Okay.
We think put outside, put column.
Outside.
Yes, column. Come down, please, and you need to paste that this thing we wrote initially. Let's see. In this instance, I think I will have to define the arguments for this thing. I will have to make adjustment to it.
Can I call this input or anything?
Yes.
Or value or anything?
Yes, value equals to input.
And then I change it to value +1.
Yes. Yes. Perfect.
That works?
Oh, that's perfect. Because the value is going to be assign that value to okay, for safety.
There's gonna be a problem here because we are supposed to start from 1, right?
As I say, because this is the value range. You want to assign the value to a range.
Yes. because that's the only input in this function. Because remember, the question said, where's that question? Write a Python program that takes the square of each number from 1 to 5. So the only thing that is changing here is the range. So you can pass any range to this function. If you want to pass a range of 1 to 2000, 1 to 500, but the thing is that it should be 1 to a number. So the only thing that you pass here, which is the input, is the value, right? So if you run this or something squared number, did I not type it well? The expected statement online.
No, that is it. Can we add the number to that value? Equals to that value should be equal to 5 or something equal to 0. So you have to assign something to it.
So let's test this out.
Okay.
So if I want to print the range from 1 to 5, what do? I just do exp underscore num, and then I pass 5. Oh, yeah, you need to hold this inside the string because this is going to be a problem here. So I arrange this. Yeah, square number equals number in range starting from 1 up to value. I pass my value here, right? So we have number times 2. Print the square of number is, it returns only 25. Yeah, because that's definitely going to be the last number. This function is going to take the release here, and then we're going to do arrow.append arrow.append square number. This is gonna still give me, let me see. And you're gonna return, this one's gonna return the list because you could return the list. Print. Hold on. Nope. This is not gonna work. The way I want it to work. Because if you hold it, you can print that. But this was not actually supposed to go, right?
What I did, I just did the range. I assigned the range to a variable outside the function.
What are you talking about?
For this solution, I defined the range as a variable outside the function. So I now use that
define the
as a
range
variable.
as a variable outside the function. And so what is the input of the function then?
It will be that variable that takes the range as its object.
Which is still the same thing, right? Because I'm still defining a variable here.
And in that case, I will not put range in the function itself. I'll delete the range. It does be for number in.
Okay, so
in that
you are
variable.
saying I should define a variable. Let me say num here equals to, I define the range function here.
Yes.
1 to. But this is not going to make it dynamic, right?
It's not going to make it dynamic.
Yeah, because this is typecasting. You are just hard coding it because you cannot reuse it.
Yes.
So the option here will be, wait, let me see. So the reason why it's picking this because it prints, it doesn't hold
the value.
It doesn't hold the value. It doesn't hold the output, right? Within the function.
Yeah.
And so if you want to hold the output within the function, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this. Yeah. Let me try this. Oh, there's a syntax error here. Where is that? Value plus, oh, 1. Sorry. Yeah, this works.
What was the difference? I didn't get the difference, sir.
The difference is because I was printing out of the loop. See, I was printing here. And if you're printing here by default, it takes only the last value. That's why I was returning only 5, right?
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
But I am not supposed to print out of the loop because if I print out of the loop, since I'm using a function, it's not going to work. So I want every value to be printed. So that's why I'm printing with the loop.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Even here, we even printed within the loop. I did not even see how I printed out of the loop here. Even here, we
Why are you adding +1 to value? Is it not redundant?
It's not redundant because, okay, for example, let's look at the question. The question says, write a Python program using a for loop to print the square of each number from 1 to 5. So you are given the n, and the n is automatically n minus 1. So I will not have to come and say 6. Right? I will not come and type 6 inside this here. So I will have to write the 5 that I was given, and making the program dynamic means the program will automatically add 1 itself and then print within that page.
Okay. Makes sense.
Is it okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, it is. Thank you.
Awesome. That was brilliant. Write a Python program using a while loop.
Still grabbing that one down a high level. It comes small.
It's not high. I mean, it's simple, right? There's nothing there. Trust me. See, let me show you. It's not hard. The only thing we did was create a function. We normally create functions on daily basis, and then we copy this thing. If you understood this one, then there's nothing there. You understood this one, right? Or even if you do not understand this one, you were the one that gave me this one, right? I can take this your own thing that you gave me and put it here. See, I can, let me paste this here. And then all I just need to do is I need to copy this like this. This is your own solution that you give me. Let me copy this your solution, and then I'm gonna. This is your own solution, right? So instead of, so you know how a function works. You know how a function works. You give a variable, because remember we used to say, you remember we used to create a function, right? We used to create a function. I'll say def. I'm sorry. I'm gonna say def, and then I'm gonna call my function add. And inside my function, I pass the parameters. Let me say I want to add a okay, let's look at this case. We are squaring, right? And so I will say I want to call my function square, for example, right? And so it's going to take an input normally. And so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to print the square of that number. So I'm going to print a squared.
Okay.
That's the same thing we are doing here. It's nothing.
Okay.
So in this case, we are taking a function, and our function is called exponential number. And then it takes a value. That value, it can still be a, don't bother, it can be anything. This input is the parameter that you're specifying, right?
Yes, yeah.
So we say for number in range, 1, and then ends at value, since it's n minus 1. So I'm going to do value plus 1, right?
Okay.
Plus 1.
But Prof, can't we still leave it at 1,6?
It's hard coding. And remember, the reason why you create a function is to make it reusable. If you use 1,6, you are hard coding the function.
Means I can only work for 1 to 6.
Yes, it can only work for 1,6.
All
Yeah,
values.
but you want to create a function that you can use for any number, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you use 1,6, you are hard coding the code. You are then so there was no need creating a function. So in that same line, madam, it's not as if it's hard. So you can still run this one, right? For range expected.
Indent the 4.
Oh, yeah. So you see, and then I'm supposed to indent this one, right? So nothing changes. If I run this and I come down and I run this again, it's still gonna give me the same thing now. The same thing that you showed us.
Okay.
Nothing changes.
Now.
So it's no high level. It's just the same thing, but it's just that we are now making it dynamic and reusable.
Okay. Thank you.
Awesome. Scale. Let's solve this one. We're going to finish this because we can't come back to this next class. So hold on tight. Where are we? Who is coming to save my life? Because I'm already on a hot seat now.
Question 8. Can I try?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it says we should write a Python program using a while loop to print the numbers from 10 down to 1. So we'll begin number.
Okay, I see number. That's what you're telling me to write, though. Number
Equals 10.
10.
While number.
While number
is greater than or equal to 1.
While number greater than or equals to 1.
While number is greater than or equal to 1. Colon. Print number. We go down again, we write number minus, I'm using how do they call it, this Python language, decrement, minus equal to 1. Minus equal to 1, then we run it. So that's my solution for that question.
Thank you for saving my life, ma'am. Now I can feel at ease. Any input? Any change? Any confusion? Yeah. Let's go to the next question. Question 9 says, write a Python program that takes a list of integers, removes duplicates, converts the list to a tuple, and then finds the sum of elements in the tuple. Oh, yeah? Hi. People are leaving me on the lifeline. Oh. Want me to die? Oh, I'm on my own now. Okay, let's go gatherly. Write a Python program that takes a list of integers. So how do I write a Python program that takes a list of integers? Madam Constant, how do I take the list of integers from a user? So if my L is equals to int, right? I'm taking from a user, so I'm using input. I can just say enter some numbers. Some numbers, but I'm taking a list of numbers, right? So if I do that, it's going to be a problem, right? So I can change this num, and I can say my list is equals to an empty list, and then I can say for I in range, let's say number. So let's say write a Python program that takes a list of integers. It could be any list of any integers, right? So let's use a range, of course. For I in range, let's just use 1. Let me start from 1 because we don't want 0 to be added. So and then I'm gonna specify another variable here called number equals to, I want this to be an integer as well, and I say I'm using the input function. Why are you running twice now? One more than actually. And how many integers do you need? Right? So for I in range 1, and then number plus 1, cos number is equals to input enter number, and then the append num. So we've taken the list from the integer, remove duplicates, convert the list to a tuple, and then find the sum of the elements in the tuple. So we want to remove duplicates. If I want to remove duplicates, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna have L1 should be equals to set of L, and then it says you see, I should convert it to a tuple, right? So I can convert it to a tuple directly here. Right? And then it says, and then find the sum of the elements in the tuple. So I can just find the sum of L1. So let's try. How many integers do you need? Let me say I want 10 integers. So enter some numbers. I'm going to enter 1. Enter 2, 3, because I have duplicates. 4, 3. Let me see. 5, 7, 8, 9. Oh shit. Is it gonna keep running? No, yeah. Set object is not callable. Oh, but this can work, right? Let me see. Oh, if I kill this gives me a set, right? I convert this to a set. Yeah. I can sum a set directly. Of course. Let me try this again. I want 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6, 7, 8. Set objects is not callable. Why is it refusing? I cannot convert this list to a set. This is a list.
I think it has to be an iterable for it to be callable.
Yeah, this is a list, is an iterable, right?
Yes. List,
Let's see something.
string, and tuple.
If I say L is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, and then I said 2 again. Now if I run this, if I set L1 is equals to set of L, is this not a thing? And if I want to print L1, isn't this a thing? Oh shit. Set. Is that not a function? Could it be because of that set thing we created over here? Okay. Oh, shit. I was wondering. You know what happened? Remember the setting we created over here?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was what was giving us headache here. Yeah, when we created this variable called set here. That's where we had an issue. That's where we had an issue. So that's why it was not working, right? Now I could even directly convert this to a tuple here because that is what the question said. And so now I have to redo this thing again. Oh God, then I find myself. So I want 10 elements. What I wanted to put 109. I would have typed my ass out. So I'm gonna say 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. Ah, it works, right? And if you want to know that there are no duplicates there, you just print L1. I had duplicates. I have 2 duplicated, 3 duplicated, 6 duplicated, but I didn't have duplicated L1. I did not have. That's because sets don't accept duplicates. You know that by default, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. And so I first of all convert L1 to a set, and then I convert it to a tuple, and then I pass some function to that. I know you can also sum it. You can also sum a set directly. I don't know, but convert it to a tuple was what the question said. So we cannot do what we think is correct. We do what has been given to us. Okay. What's next? Can we go to the next question?
Are you sure I can be able to finish these questions today?
We have.
It's 9.
Yeah, we should finish, right? Let me just solve them and go fast. Let's take the next 15 minutes and finish them. Okay.
Okay, it's fine. Okay.
Create a dictionary with the following keys. Okay, so I can have this as a dictionary. I'm gonna call this D is equals to this. Okay. Use the loop to iterate over the dictionary and print each key value pair in the format key value. Right? There are many ways I can do this. So I can say for I and Z print. I can do this. The very simple thing for me to do is Z dot key comma. Let me try this one. Comma. Sorry. Z dot values. Is it value or values?
It should be value.
It's values, keys and values. Keys, plural values. It's plural.
Shit. Can I bring this? Okay.
You didn't call the function like bracket. You double bracket. So
Oh yeah,
round bracket to call it.
They're all functions.
Yeah, methods.
So if I run this program, name age. This is not giving me what I want. So there's something I'll do Z dot items, which is a function. So if I print I first, I get this. And so there are two things I can do, right? So this is what I'm going to do. Print. I'm going to put all of this as a formatted string. And I'm going to do this. I'm going to do I position 0. All of this is going to be in curly brackets, okay? It doesn't make me look stupid. I position
hard coding.
Not like that. We're just doing I position 1, right? Yeah. Works, right? So we can go to the next one, right?
Please explain.
Let me print this one. If I print Z dot items, what do I get? I get a tuple, right? I get a tuple, and inside the tuple, let me see. For item in Z dot items, let me print I. See, if I print I, you can look at the Z dot tuple dot item. If I print I returns the C. See what it returns. I returns 3 tuples. It returns this as key value pairs as tuple. This is what the Z dot items function do. So what you do is that because I know that this is a tuple, I know that this is, so since I'm printing I and it's returning this, so I know that this is I index 0 and I index 1 for this tuple. And this one will be I index 0, I index 1 for this tuple, I index 0. So since it's a loop, so I do I index 0, I index 1. But the question say you should print it in the form of key value pair. So it has to be key, then this small semicolon, and then the value. That's why I'm using a formatted string, because it's either I would have printed this thing like this. See, it's either I would have done this. I could have also done this, but you will not be looking like an advanced programmer, which we already are. I could have done this. It's gonna be comma here. I would have done this and this, right? This will also what? No, this is not supposed to be there. Either ways, it's up to you. Is that clear?
Right.
Yes. Let's go to the next one. Write a Python program. Let me see. So if I pull up this one, it says, write a Python program that takes a string input, converts it into a list of characters, and then uses a while loop to count the number of vowels in the list. So write a Python program that takes a string. So I will say S is equals to, or you want me to call it a string, as we already know, is equals to, this one is going to normally be my normal input function. I don't need to, because I'm taking, and then I'm going to just say enter a word, right? Enter a word. So the word can be anything. And by default, it returns a string. So what does it say? Right, to take a string. So I've taken the string, convert it into list of characters. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to do a list of characters. So I'm going to say for iron. Wow. Oh, how do I do that? Well, can I just, is there a simple, I'm looking for a simpler function that can just whip this thing to a list of characters. Anyways, I might explicitly need to create the list just to make it easy for me. So I'm going to hold it inside the list, right? So I'm going to say for iron, or for letters, since you people like that part, for letters in string, that's what I'm doing. Dot append dot what append letter. I call it letters. Okay. Now this says convert it into a list of characters and then use a while loop to count. Why am I calling it a while loop? To count the number of vowels in the list. Now, why am I using a while loop? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count. I want to initiate count is equals to 0. And then I'm going to say vowel vowel is equal to, I'm going to put a string, right? So it's going to be I, A, E, or U. That's how you do. So you do I, A, E, or U. That's vowel. So let me call this vowels. So since they are saying I should use the while loop, not the for loop. So what I can do is that I can say while letters is no, not letters, while no, it's trickish because the problem is that you can always have a problem here. So I can call it, let me just call I, because it's trickish. Why it's trickish is because if I use count, it can make the loop run forever in a case where there's no vowel in the word that is given. That's why I cannot do that. So while I, so let me just say while I is less than, so I don't want this again. While I is less than the length of this string. So if I oh no. Something is gonna kill my.
If later in vowels, what we
No,
did the last time.
I did not
If
specify
I
letter.
coded
That's
it wrong,
why. I did not specify letter because I did not break up the word into letters. I did not break up the string into letters. Did you see that? I might have to use a for loop to do that. Do you see that?
yes.
Let me see for can I say letters in what, right? Yeah.
Which word are you using, sir?
Oh, string, sorry.
No,
No,
it's strings, yeah. String.
yeah, letters in string, no word. So while now
you have to return it now, won't you?
While I is less than the length of the string. Yeah. If while I is less than the length of the string, if letters in vowels, then this one comes. Now we do L dot append letters, and then after L appends letters, we're gonna do I. Why do I even need I don't need, yeah, I might need them if I like to print it. So, but that's not my point. So count, because that's not what I want. I want the count plus equals to 1, because that's what I'm looking for. L dot append and then I plus equal 1. Yeah. And that's if I like the letters. Yeah. And then I can now come down, and then out of all of this, I can print Count. I can print L. I can print L to bar if I want to see the vowels. Yep. So let's see. Can we test it out? Can somebody give me a word? Computer? Okay. Why is it not running? It's a problem somewhere? Oh shit.
What about if we do if vowels in letters does not connect?
Yeah, I've seen where the issue was coming from. It's because I didn't implement this thing in the right position. Oh, it returns an empty list. If letters in vowels. I didn't do something here for letters in string. So what if I print no. No. Hold on. Okay. Let me follow a different approach, okay? Let's take a different approach. Let's take a different approach. Because this one is going to just confuse us. So I don't even, yeah, I might need that one if I like it. So I'm going to say while I, so I'm using a while loop, while I is less than, is less than the length of string, right? While I is less than the length of string, that's what we are doing. Because this is the condition that we are fulfilling. So what I'm going to do is then if string position I in vowels, right? Count plus equals to 1, right? And then if I like, I can also append, I can do L dot append. That's if I like that string, right? L dot append this. Right? I can append that string, and then I'm going to come out here and I say plus equals to 1. Yeah, that looks good. And then I can now come down and then I can print count, which is what I'm interested in, as well as I can print which is just a proof of my print which is just a proof of my what. So computer, if I run this, it works, right?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
So the idea here is that this is the idea here. You just normally initiate because the question says we should count. That's what the question says we should count. That's where the issue is, because the question says then use a while loop, and it was specific that use a while loop. It did not say use a for loop to count the number of vowels in the list. So there is no way, there's no Python program. I don't know if is there a Python that says is vowel? Is there an is vowel function? Bestman, do you have any idea?
I think it exists, but it might be, I don't know if it's inbuilt in
Vowel?
Python.
I'm not sure. I don't know.
On that string. Check string.
Is there a vowel function in Python? Let me see. Python defines a function is vowel character that returns true if the character is vowel. Yeah. So you can also use that to evaluate, right? There's the is.vowel function. I think if we do this ZI arrow of str, right? Str. Let's see if it's there. Please look whether you see anything here that says is vowel. It might not be here.
That thing looks like a class from what it's capital V. The one you showed online.
But I'm not seeing it,
Doesn't
right?
look like
Even
a
if it's the
method.
class, it should be over here, right?
Well, these are methods. These are methods of the string. It will not be here.
Anyways, even if you don't find it, the best way is for you to just define the list of vowels. Just define what you call vowels, okay? And you notice I define them both lower and upper case. And then I just check if my vowel is there. So this is what is happening. So I define what I call vowels. And then normally this is the same format for a while loop. You initialize and then you count. So I say YL is less than the length of the string, which makes strings. And then I'm saying that if the string position number I, so now when it's position number I take 0. And so if I write computer, it starts with C. It puts C here and it checks, is C in this? It says no. So count does not work. It skips down to this one. It adds 1 to position number 2. Now it comes to O and it checks, is O here? It says yes. Count works. Count plus 1. And then it appends that value here. And then only like that, it runs through all the characters of computer. And that's why we get this like this. Okay. Let's, we are almost done. This one was a little tricky. I hope these other ones are easier. I've not looked at the questions myself, trust me. Create a list of tuples where each tuple contains the name and age of a person, e.g. Write a Python program to find the oldest person in the list and print their name. Create a list of tuples where each tuple contains the name and age of a person. Okay. Right? A program to find. So can I just I can say L is equal to this. What am I doing? Can I just say L is equal to this? That's my list. So they say it's a tuple of a tuple, so it makes sense. So it says you write a program to find the oldest person in the list. So I will use there is a function called, I can call this the best way is to the best way is to so this is what I'm going to do. I'm just thinking, okay, I'm going to say z equals to no, this is not gonna work. It's expecting to input. Get a list of tuple where each tuple contains the name and age of a person. Write the program to find the oldest person in the list and print their name. So we want something like so what we are looking for is Charlie. So the question is, how do we print Charlie? So so what do? I look through this
I will
list.
index it. Index the
You want to index it?
Index and sort. You get the index and sort it. Pick the
If
first.
index and sort it, I'm thinking of it.
Since it's a list of tuples. That is terrible.
I'm seeing I have a solution in my head, but it's very long. Is there a way we can convert each value here to? Not possible, right? If I look through this thing, I'm going to. So if I say for I in right? If I print I, I'm going to get this tuple, right? If I print I, I'm going to get each of these tuple, right? And if I print, if I get
for I in I. Done that for I in.
So if I do I position 1, position 0 for each of these things is going to return. So if we can break up, let's say name. Let's just create a list called name. I know this is pretty crazy, but that's the easiest thing. I don't want to be thinking a lot, right? This is the easiest one that is coming to my head now. And then we can have H. Here we can have H. This is the one that is coming to my head now. So we can have an H and then so for I in so I'm gonna have name dot append and I'm appending I position 0 as my name, and then I'm appending H dot append. So I'm appending I position 1, right? That should return the H, of course. And if I append all of these, this one thing I can do is that if I can say Z is equals to dictionary, and I use the zip function, I can zip this thing, right? And if I zip, I'm taking by default, I'm taking name and H, right? And if I do that and I print, and then okay, if I print Z, append, I did not spell append well. If I print Z, I get this, right? So the next thing I can do is how do I get how do I get Charlie? in a more robust way. So there should be a way that we can sort the values, right?
Why is the age outside the L? I don't understand that.
Where?
The age in line 75. Have age hanging out. Outside, no, on the left, on the right. Right, yes. What was that?
No. I think that was a mistake.
Okay.
So what we can do is that now so if we print Z like this, we can look through the value. So I can say for I in Z dot values, if I take Z dot values, it returns the values, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just try this. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work. If it's going, so it's gonna return all the values. So no, I'll just do sorted. Can I do sorted? Z dot values. Is it possible?
Yeah. Yeah. You have to call it. Yeah. See.
If I do sorted Z dot values, I know that by default it's gonna return that. Oh shit.
I need to assign it to a variable.
And then I can return now the. Can I return the last value? -1?
Yes, -1.
But that will not give me the name. Well, okay, let me see the output of this sorted. S equals to, you understand? Let's see the output of this sorted. So I want to see the S. I want to return S, sorry. S return 25. Oh, this will not work. So the option here will be to loop through these values, and the thing is that if I'm looping through these values,
It's double for. I think it's double loop for this for I in this.
I'm
loop
thinking of
again
how to
through.
pick Charlie. Can I sort a dictionary based on the values? That's the same thing I'm still trying to do. It's still going to give me a problem. Oh, how do I fix this? 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 I want Charlie. But I've been able to get this because I zipped this. But I think there's a function in dictionaries that we are not getting fixed. Let's see.
Oh, please, what is the function of the zip?
Just like the zip of your clothes. See. Let me bring this one so that you see. The zip on your address, you know what it does, right? What does the zip on your address do, sir? It's going to take.
Zip.
What does the zip on your dress do? It takes two things and join them together now. It's going to take this, sorry. It's going to join this man and this man, join this man and this man.
Okay.
That's how it works now. That's how the zip on your dress works. And then I converted that output to a dictionary. That's why you have it as a key value pair. My reason for converting to a dictionary was now to give a relationship between the age and the name, which I have done. Now the challenge now that I'm having is how I can pick the highest based on age. And then, but now we don't want the name. We want We don't want the age we want. If we was printing the highest age, it's possible, but we are not printing the highest age, we are printing the highest the name. So how do we return this age, this value, based on this dictionary? Wait. My head is blocked. Let's hold it off here. I will finish it next class. I'm already tired. My brain is already tired.
Thank you. That's what I suggested. It means if I'm beginning to have divination record.
My brain is already tired. Yeah, let's hold it off from here, and then on Thursday we're going to finish it before we start exception handling. Is that okay?
Yes,
Okay.
sure.
Thank you.
But you have to finish it there. Make sure you finish this question, this last 3. Is that okay? Don't come and tell me that I started and ended on question 13. Please finish all the questions so that on Thursday we go faster. And then I will figure out the best way to do this, and then we'll take it from there. Is that okay?
It's fine.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
thank you very much.
Yeah.
Let me go and eat.